up, guys? This is Chad, the Spray Gunner. Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about the MOLOTOW Liquid Chrome Markers. It's our special this week as well. And we're going to show you a couple of examples of what you can do with them. So this first example here is the guitar. You can see these lines. These are something that could have been outlined with the chrome marker. That was airbrushed actually, and using a stencil. And it came out beautifully, but I think a chrome marker could have made it a little bit easier. It's also something you could sign your work with. You want to show a little example, please? As you might be able to see there, it's got a really nice mirror finish. We're using the 1mm tip here. It comes in 1mm, 2mm, and 4mm. And the special we're running this week includes all three of those, plus a 30mm refill for $45, guys. And that's going to end tomorrow night, August 3rd. Here we're just showing you a little bit of detail work with the liquid chrome marker and the beautiful mirror finish that it gives. And this could be applied to many different things. So one thing off the top of my head is some people like to make Christmas ornaments for their Christmas trees, and this marker would be great for decorating an ornament. It's such a nice finish with these markers. Really pops off, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Now, if this was a more porous surface, guys, it would be a lot more like a metallic finish rather than a mirror finish. So that's something you have to remember when you're using these. Another thing you could use these markers for is scale models and like touching up little areas, stuff like that, guys. There really are so many things that could be done with these. It would be hard for us to touch on all of them, and really your creativity is kind of the limit. One of the things that I would say you have to watch out for is that these cannot be clear coated. You do not spray a clear coat over these markers. If you want to have a chrome finish with a clear coat over it, you're going to have to use something like an Auto Air 4104 Quicksilver Chrome. That's something you can spray a clear coat over, but these markers are really to be at the top layer. What a beautiful mirror finish. Another great idea is you could decorate a coffee cup or a tea mug with this marker and personalize it, really make it your own. Or it would be a great gift to give somebody. If you're the crafting type and you want to give something personalized that no one else can get to that person, then this would be another way to go. Alright, so we talked to you about a few things and different applications for the MOLOTOW Liquid Chrome Markers. One thing we didn't quite show you, but is another great way you could use them, would be on like an RC car body. You could use it to do some little details and little personal touches. And guys, maybe markers aren't your thing. I know markers aren't really my thing, and if if I can spray something out of an airbrush, I'm going to be very inclined to do that first. So I think it's worth mentioning that your liquid chrome refills can be sprayed out of an airbrush along with any MOLOTOW marker refill. They're all good to be sprayed out of an airbrush, and maybe you don't know that. Maybe it's something you'd like to try. I'd highly recommend it. Again, guys, we're running the special, $45 until tomorrow, and then it's going up to $55. It's a 1mm, a 2mm, a 4mm, and a 30 milliliter refill for $45 at spraygunner.com. And in this video, we use the 1mm tip, the fine tip. All right, guys, and one more use. This isn't a quite fully finished picture here, but it's a great marker to use to sign your artwork. Just like that.